Hi, I'm Garima. I'm the marketing head at Vyakti Vikas Kendra India, the art of living. As a stepping stone, this workshop is a very good initiative which is bringing different minds and different companies which are putting up content on the Karmayogi Bharat portal. And we all are come up here, we are discussing and we are creating one format so that many people can benefit from this. And the best, one of the very highlight of this conference was the Physic Wala's session. He gave really good information, insights about how the content should be created, what should be the must-haves, what should be the do's and the don'ts, and how the content delivery aspects everybody should take care, because we are the one who have the responsibility to create the content and bring an impact in the society.